You can get to know Munich's old town really well on the walking tour, because if you have a guide with you, he tells you something about the sites and you just don't only see them, you also understand them. An important part of the tour is, of course, Munich's Wolfboy House, probably one of the best known tourist attractions in the city. Here you will hear a lot about brewing, the Wolfboy House itself, and also about the history of beer in Munich. Nearby at Max-Josefs-Platz, you can get a glimpse at the National Theatre, which the residents of Munich also simply refer to as the Opera House. The National Theatre was the first theatre in Munich that was accessible to the public and not only to the nobility, and is now the most important opera theatre in Germany. This is also where the residence is located. The residence was the city palace of the Wittelsbach family, the ruling family here in Munich, reigning in Bavaria for more than 700 years. Some of the electors and kings were very attached to the south of Europe and especially to Italy. This is why Odeonsplatz, just around the corner, has a lot of Italian flair. The Feldherrenhalle is an almost perfect reproduction of the Loggia dei Lanzi in Florence. And the Theatina Church, which is regarded as one of the most beautiful churches in Munich, with its rich ochre yellow, was modeled on the church Sant'Andrea della Valle in Rome. The perfect place for starting and ending the tour is Marienplatz Square, the heart and center of the city. There's always something going on here. If you want to go shopping, you can enter the pedestrian zone right from here.